English, we have many such words which are used both as nouns and as verbs. And in both cases, they are pronounced differently too. In today's video, we are going to learn 5 such words, their meanings, their pronunciations and examples in use. And do not skip the video, watch till the end because at the end, I'll be sharing a secret tip. So, let's begin. Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta and you're watching EnglishPedia by SR. So the first word of today's list is suspect. Suspect. It has 2 syllables. Suspect. Suspect. So when suspect is used as a noun, the stress falls on the first syllable sus. It is pronounced as suspect. Suspect. For example, the suspect of the crime is in jail now. The suspect of the crime is in jail now. When this word is used as a verb, the stress falls on the second syllable pect. Suspect. Suspect. For example, he is suspected of robbery. He is suspected of robbery. Word number 2 is subject. Subject. Again, it has 2 syllables. Subject. Subject. When subject is used as a noun, the stress falls on the first syllable. Subject. 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 For example, how many subjects do you have in school? How many subjects do you have in school? When this word is used as a verb, the stress falls on the second syllable ject. Subject. Subject. For example, the investments are subjected to market risks. The investments are subjected to market risks. Word number 3 in today's list is present. It has again 2 syllables, present. When it is used as a noun, the stress falls on the first syllable. Present. Present. For example, Ria has gifted me a wristwatch as my birthday present. Ria has gifted me a wristwatch as my birthday present. When it is used as a verb, the stress falls on the last syllable zent. Present. Present. Note, when this is pronounced as a verb, it is no more used as pre. It is used as pre. Present. Present. For example, they were presented as villains in the novel. They were presented as villains in the novel. Let's look at word number 4. Word number 4 in today's list is conduct. Conduct. It has 2 syllables, conduct. Now when it is used as a noun, the stress falls on the first syllable con. Conduct. Conduct. For example, the conduct of the new employee is rude. The conduct of the new employee is rude. When it is used as a verb, the stress falls on the syllable duct. Conduct. Conduct. For example, a meeting is being conducted at the conference room. A meeting is being conducted at the conference room. Let's look at word number 5. The last word of today's video is upgrade. Upgrade. It has again 2 syllables, upgrade. When it is used as a noun, it is pronounced as upgrade. Upgrade. The stress is on the first syllable up. For example, the customers will get a free upgrade to their existing plan. The customers will get a free upgrade to their existing plan. When this is used as a verb, the stress falls on the last syllable grade. Upgrade. Upgrade. For example, your service has been upgraded from a monthly scheme to an yearly scheme. Your service has been upgraded from a monthly scheme to an yearly scheme. Now is the time for the secret tip. In all these 5 words, you have perhaps noticed that when they are used as nouns, always the stress falls on the first syllable. and when they are used as verbs, the stress falls on the last syllable or second syllable. So this is the tip. Whenever you are pronouncing these words, keep this tip in mind and let me know how you are enjoying this video. If you know any such words, comment down below, and also if you like the video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. I'll be coming back super soon with another video. Till then, take care and happy learning.